welcome back to the Independent Investor Channel. My name is Ryan. I was going to offer you guys 5 stock picks in 5 minutes, and these are going to be some stock picks that I'm going to be entering in this week, and I thought I would disclose those within the contents of a 5-minute video. So let's get started. The first pick I'm going to throw out there, with the financial sector becoming in favor right now, it's become more and more important for you to have some financial exposure in your portfolio, and it does not get any better than JP Morgan Chase. Traded under the ticker symbol JPM, we're talking about a 2.8% dividend up front. We're talking about it trading at a reduced multiple right now at about 12.6 forward price to earnings ratio. We're talking about getting a hold of a company that's worth close to $400 billion in market cap. It was founded back in 1799, and it's actually paid its dividends since 1827. It's got approximately 2.5 trillion of assets under management right now, and you're talking about one of the areas that you have to have some exposure to right now, and it's one of those cornerstones in any portfolio that I recommend that you could buy and hold for the long term. Second pick on my list is Halliburton. Halliburton trades under the ticker symbol HAL. I'm probably going to be picking up around 20 shares of it this week. Pays a nominal dividend of 1.9%. Trades at a forward PE of 17.7. It's right at about a $35 billion market cap. Next year, Halliburton will enjoy its 100-year anniversary. And when you're talking about a premier global company, it does business and has exposure in over 70 different countries. And when you're talking about shale production in the Permian Basin, it's one of those picks that will allow you to have some exposure in the oil services sector. It's actually the best in the business. It's best in breed for that ownership. So Halliburton, traded under the ticker symbol HAL. The next one on my list is Philip Morris, and this may strike up a little bit of conversation. Traded under the ticker symbol PM, and for you guys that are looking for a dividend exposure pick, this is it. At 5.9%, doesn't get any better. We're talking about a PE of 15. We're talking about 120 billion in market cap. And the reason I put this on my list, and the reason why I will be putting 25 shares into my portfolio starting this week, is that I just feel like we're getting a great entry point on this great global company. Doesn't get any better here in the low 80s on Philip Morris. The next pick on my list that I've been really big on through the life of the channel is Mondelez. Traded under the ticker symbol MDLZ. I will be picking up a 100-share block of Mondelez this week. Pays you a dividend of 2.4% to be a shareholder. Trading right now at an 18 times forward price to earnings multiple. Got a $62 billion market cap, and we're talking about 81% of its revenues are generated from overseas. And the kicker here is the growth driver that a lot of analysts are missing with regard to its exposure in emerging markets. Mondelez will get it done for you. And the final pick, I did save the best for last for you guys, is Medtronic. Medtronic is one of those growth healthcare companies, traded under the ticker symbol MDT. MDT, I'm going to be picking up 40 shares this week of MDT. Pays a nominal dividend again of 2.2%. Trades at a 19 PE, and it's got about a market cap of 122 billion. It is a wonderful growth story here. It just had its acquisition of Covidien, and it just had a recent acquisition here to get it more exposure to the robotics surgical field, which everybody knows Intuit Surgical. These guys compete against the majors and is one of the largest healthcare services providing companies in the industry. It competes with Johnson & Johnson, Abbott Laboratories, Thermo Fisher Scientific. It is one of the premier plays, guys. Pick it up. I will be adding 40 shares to the portfolio. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Quick shot, 5 stocks in 5 minutes. These will be the stocks that I'm entering into this week. If it is your first time tuning into the Independent Investor Channel, you got to subscribe to the channel, guys. You got to share this message with anybody out there that you know is looking to get baseline information and entry information into the stock market. Guys, leave your stock picks in the bottom comment section of this video, as we'll look to strike up a dialogue within the community of subscribers on the Independent Investor channel. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and good luck in your investment future.